Hey guys, what's up? Zaylog, the Fox, and you guys should pause this video, pause it right now. Even the Zayloggers, pause your video, pause all of your guys' videos right now. Go to either type in Zaylog the Red Panda, or you can go to the Zaylog Army, click on Zaylog the Red Panda, go check out his videos, cause we need to support him. Come on, guys, we need support. Let's support him. Cause he's upset because, well, he's not upset, but he's getting a little depressed. Honestly, we have no idea where these subscribers came or these viewers come from. Cause I had like 9, I think, on mine. On one of my viewers, and I don't even have 9 subscribers. So that's impressive. So guys, right now I'm just making signs for our rooms. So funny story. Me and Zaylog or Zach, we wanted to make this video really long since our first episode. Sadly, that didn't work because we made it an hour long, guys. So sorry, guys. So that's our first episode. This is our second episode. Yeah. 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 That's super stupid. You can like build your own thing. What are you making? Are you making it like something around the tree so we don't destroy it? Good. Good. We need that. Anyhow, so I think I would take a, oh crap, I might need it. I don't know, I'll find out. But I think right now I'm just gonna make like a little plank to go out to the, actually no, I don't. Yeah. So guys, last episode, go check out our last episode. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And this, like the video, and this channel is about positive. These channels and the Zaylog Army is happiness. We always spread kindness, and we as a team we do not like hate comments. I told my subscribers from right off the bat in my intro video that if I see any hate comment on my Twitter or in the comments, I'm calling them out. I don't know about you, but because I've been bullied before in school. I think it's necessary. Yeah, no, I know, but like, yeah, I think it is because I know, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh crap. I think I did too many. I think I have too much sand, but oh well, who cares? Or actually, no, I need to make a border, so I'll just use it to make the border. Never having enough sand. But I already have like, I think I have more sand. No, yeah, I think I have more sand. Is there more sand? Oh no. Oh yeah, that's right. I have more glass. I was cooking in the last episode. Haha. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Guys, I have no more coal. I don't want to go mining. We need it. for our stuff. Oh, can you split that in half? Cause I need some for my my no. Like, where did you find it? I mean, I know where you find it. Yeah. If you need more, if I need more. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, if you find more coal, we need it out in the cooking, in the cook thing. Oh my god, did you see that? Oh, he's after me! A skeleton. But it's not, yeah, it's on fire. I don't know what happened, but I didn't kill it. Oh yeah, I like it how on your video you said the one and the only James. Oh god, yeah. Yeah. I find that hilarious. Someone's coming upstairs. Speaking of James, he's coming up the stairs. I think either that or my dog. It's my dog. I swear to God, I thought that was James. I was hoping it was James. My dog. It was my dog. Cause the one thing I don't like about building in the ocean is that my sand falls down. Wait, is that the only thing that falls down in the ocean, or does everything fall down in the ocean when you're building?
Say my name. Huh? What?
Oh.
What do you want?
Oh. James also came upstairs. Yay. James, why do you keep on leaving? Sleep. Oh yeah, I know why. We told our subscribers to go pause this video and watch your videos. Come on, James. Stop being disrespectful, or not disrespectful, like disappointed and everything. Oh yeah, I'm gonna come back and watch our videos.
Well, no, it's just that you.
No, no, I can't sleep. Wait, what? What, Jim?
When you were playing, it was like you and Zach. That's what it felt like.
It was just no, dude. Yours has to go mine.
I was.
Exactly.
No, before that, you were just talking to you.
Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. I'm back. Oh yeah. Hold on. Hey, what you doing? Oh. James said, I would join, but it's too late. I'm like, no, it's never too late. He's like, yeah, it is. I'm like, okay. He's like, oh, it's too late to join. It's never too late. Miss it more than your body. I used to hate that song. Now I like that song. It's strange. Alright. So guys, well, Zach left. I'm gonna. So guys, hey, hey.
Guys. Sorry, we're both muted.
All right, I'm back. All right. I need, guys. I'm just gonna check over here and see how to make some. Ooh. Oh crap. Oh, I got this. I got more sticks in mine. Hi James. Come look at your room. Come on, talk. So guys, I'm making a ladder for reasons. Oh yeah, I forgot. I can put my glass up here. I got that. But legit. Sorry guys. I'm gonna get rid of that. Still not even. Oh, I can jump. Hey. All right. I made a little ladder to go up to the roof of the house from my room. That's your room, not my room. Yeah, I know. Alright guys, I'll be right back.
Sorry, we're taking so many breaks, guys. Long videos, so. We have to have that.
Okay guys, I'm back. Oh James, did you see our tree? Yo, you have to check out our tree though. James, you're here because you want to be in the series.
I don't even have it.
Stop being like that. Alright. Guys, like he said, sorry we're taking so many breaks. It's because, we've been making long videos, like he said. And we need drinks. Like, we need to take drinks and get some food in us. Why do you keep on drowning? Alright, good. Take care, James, while I go. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a refill.
Sorry, we're taking so many breaks. Stay up.
Should I make this into a video? I'm gonna.
Why would you do that?
No, it's me. Shoot! All my stuff is in the middle of the ocean now.
I'll go grab
No.
it.
I don't know if he did or not. Yeah, he might have did. Because, No, I was standing on... Yeah, I was standing, like, right here. Yeah, I see it. But all that stuff, though, is all mine, though. Well, I got plenty of food on the water. Alright, I have to go up... Yeah. Before I die again. I'm upstairs. I'm up. I'm about to die again. Alright.
Oh, that's right. I lost all my stuff.
Well, yeah. Okay, I'm sorry, but like you died. Well, I didn't lose. I mean, I lost everything, but I didn't lose everything. It's taken for legit ever for my heart. 1, 2, 3. I just saw that happen too. So guys, I really want to get this what do you call it? Series probably up to my. I think the highest episode we should go to is probably like 500. That should be the max. 500. Yeah, that should be our goal. Well, and also get 500 episodes. Ready. Oh crap! All my stuff is down there. No, it's all in the bottom of the sea. And I only have 4 hearts. No, it's fine. Let's go. No, let's just go to sleep. No. 2. Get whatever you can. Crap! I don't even have everything. Well, yeah, I do. I can just quickly push it. No, just like when you're like running out of hearts, quickly come up. We'll come back up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Where are you? Where are you? Where? Oh god. Did you get anything? You did? Can I have it when we get back to the house? Oh, I just saw an explosion happen. Like, pling now. Yeah. Cause I had like my sword and everything. Oh! Come outside! Like, whoa, look at this! Just look, wow! Ooh! Oh. Ah, whatever. I feel like oh, you put everything back in my... Oh, thank God. Alright. Alright. Is James even gonna, like... Yeah. He's, like, drowning himself. Oh. Is he in his room? Hi, James. Is James even in the party? Yeah, he is. Well, actually, if you, like, do stuff and stop dying all the time, then maybe I would. Alright. You know, I think we should actually do like maybe tomorrow we all should get like wood and like start making our house like a little like on the edges bigger and then make it taller, like make it huge. I'll help you. It'll be a project. No, that's James. James is doing it because I'm working on the farm. Yeah, James, you heard that? Come on, James. James, go work on the go mine. Here, I'll give you my pickaxes. Come here. I don't have any stone. Oh. James, did you take it? No, James, come back. Here. Oh. Where did James go? He took the red chest! Yo, where'd he go?
I didn't take nothing from your chest.
Come back here. If you want to go mine, do you have stuff to mine with? Oh, he's in the bathroom. He's not on the roof. I just look over, I see a red panda on the trees. Here, Jay, do you want my pickaxe? Or are you gonna make your own pickaxe? Alright. I'll take that as a yes. Yeah. I don't think we should like even put him in the series if he's gonna act like that. I know. Yeah, one of the two. Hey, I know this is probably. Oh wait, no. Yeah, I know this is probably not even legit, but I'm guessing you don't have any wood on you. You probably don't. Yeah, you don't, do you? Uh oh, I'm dead. Jake, stop! Crap! Don't you dare take any of that, please. Give me back my map. James, I need my map. Come give it back to me. James, that's my map. Give it. And give me back my wood. Give me back everything. Even my wood. No, he took sticks and my wood. And my shovels. And my food. And my map. Thanks, bro. Go do stuff. He took my pickaxe. Oh, I told him to, so I don't really care.
No, I didn't. So.
Oh. Well, I don't know what happened to it. Well, James, what are you gonna do? You're not even gonna join. You're not even talking, so leave. If you're gonna be like this. You gotta be excited. Come on.
I leave him. I join your series. I want to, but you know.
Then stop the talk. Day. Oh. He was having a great day earlier. Oh, really? Thanks. You're the best friend in the world. But legit. What was I gonna make wood for? Oh yeah, I know what I was gonna make wood for. Oh god. I know. I was gonna. Oh, I got a lot of wood now. Oh yeah, now I need to make some other stuff. I don't know. Don't disturb me. I'm working here. Good. But I'm glad you're doing this. I like the movements of life. Okay, I make 4 of those, 4 shovels. I don't need a hoe. I need another 3 more of those. Is there anything else in my room? Or anything in my... I might just make another thing and put upstairs.
Zach, look at the tree that you put glass out on.
He's on top. Why? What? I got it. No. Hold on. I'm back. I need a break. A piece of grass. I know, but like the James grass. Oh, like this is like this one spot. It's like grass everywhere, and then it's just dirt. I mean, it'll grow back. It'll grow on there. I feel like we should, like, you know how it's like sand and grass inside there? I feel like we should put all grass in there, not like the sand. I mean, actually no, because that's how it came. That's how it came. What are you doing, James? Stop! Stop! You're making this no more dirt for you, James. Stop climbing up there because you're just making dirt poles. And we don't want the dirt holes over there. Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna go. Oh, squid. Well, I'm pretty sure tomorrow's episodes will be fun. Because we'll all be happy. I'm probably gonna start a series on, I don't know what. Oh, I know what I can do. GTA story mode. I can become a taxi driver. That sounds. I don't have stone. Yeah. I don't know why. No. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna have to open. Ooh. Alright, I think this is where I'm gonna build. How big should our how big do you think it should be? Oh my god, it's not gonna be that big. And farm animals. Why do we? Okay, you should start putting stuff in your room. Like, find stuff, like.
No, keep it. It's yours. I'm gonna do my own
What? Look how big the farm is, though. What? Look how small it is, though. But small. But do you think this is too small or too? It's too small. But who cares? Now I just need dirt. I'm guessing you did see that. Oh God. We need to fix that big hole. James, go fix it. I'm joking. I know. That's why I said joking. Joking. Oh yeah, comment down below what's your favorite song, cause you know. Oh my God, it was funny. It was funny because when we were camping up in Wisconsin, it was funny because I was sitting in the camper, and most people when they go camping, they most likely most people listen to the country apparently. Like listen to the country. No, I heard down the road Post Malone. Congratulations. That was pretty funny because I'm like, yo, Jaden, I hear something. He's like, what? I'm like, I hear congratulations. It was pretty cool. It was one of my favorite songs.
What else could I add to my room?
You could add like me and Zach has furnaces in our.
Shut up! I'm not talking to you.
Okay. Front, back. Oh yeah. I need some signs.
Oh, I know what I can. No. Why? Oiga, mano, ¿cómo?
I can't hear James that well, Bo. Hi, James. James, stop! I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell at you. I was fixing. But don't you like these signs though? On the above the door. Like it says Zaylog the panda. Or Zaylog the red panda. Oh yeah. Look how much you got done back here. Oh. Only on your room. Only on your room. Oh god, hold on sorry guys before. Hold on, let's lock the doors. Gotta shut that so nothing comes in our doors. Yeah, it does. I need to eat something before I go to sleep because I'm hungry. No! Step back in my inventory. Hold on. Give me a minute.
Maybe
There you go.
tomorrow I might be in a good day. Have a good day.
Happy now?
Shut up.
Oh no, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to that.
I need food if I'm gonna go mine.
Alright, here, you can have some of my food. There's food right here! Got nothing in there. Take that.
No, I need.
No, stop! You can't just take stuff! Give it back! You can't just take stuff from my chest. Jeez, my stuff in there. But you can take this and this. James, here. James, I have some stuff for you. Where are you?
It's fine. I don't need any of it.
Here, James, do you want my stuff? Here, it's already made. Here's some food. Here's food right here. Here, James.
Oh.
Yeah, take it. Or you're not gonna get your food. Just cyber death. I don't care.
I need to find cobblestone.
I need to go back in my room to grab some stuff and put stuff away. I think I'm gonna reorganize
I'm
this
actually
real quick.
gonna make stone, Jesse. Unlike you.
I'm trying to make our house look, make some stuff outside, but okay. So guys, mine's probably gonna be like, hold on, I can't even, I'm too tired to think of it real quick. Either it's, this back door, not today, or Hey Mickey. Those are my favorite ones right now. Oh,
What's
Mickey, you're
mine?
so fine, you blow my mind. I'm sorry, guys. I just wanted to say that.
I have no idea what my favorite one is.
Comment down below. I'm in my chest. Don't you mind? What if I was naked? What if I was naked and you just tear down my wall? How? What? Wait. I think is anybody missing their? Alright, no, this is mine. Never mind. I thought it was someone else's. Oh, hi. Oh wait, I have stuff there. Person. Yeah. Oh, and then we have to make our staircase, don't we? Because I have a lot of stuff in my chest.
Why don't you have a double?
Because I had and my staircase was they have no. It was against the wall, and my furnace is right next to it. No, I mean like nothing was there, so and I know. Like so I could see it, but not. Yeah, no, I'm gonna get rid of. I got rid of it. I'm gonna move my bed because I know it's probably gonna be in the way. So I'm like, what do you mean? Wait. Oh my god, perfect. You just go right past that wall. Good. Cause I had like my stuff in the corner, but no. Oh wait, do you have to break any of these walls down back here? No. Good. On the side right over here.
I need wood.
I need wood. Can I have some wood?
I have. Yeah, you can have a 35 because I have a stack of it.
Ah!
It's mine.
Crap. I need food. Oh yeah, I forgot. I put them on. Cutters. Oh yeah, I need my thanks, James.
No, give me half of that. Give me half. No, actually keep it all. I don't care.
Oh crap. Oh wait. All right. Is there a way you can? Oh. It's okay. I don't think I had anything right there. No. Oh, you dropped.
Oh, we don't have coal.
Did I have a chest right there that dropped into you? No, cause I only have my bed in there. I know.
So that's what I need to go get. Coal
I only have. Do you want me to cut this wall in half right here? For you?
Don't even listen to me. That's fine.
But that's right there. Like I just cut it for you. Oh yeah. I know.
Oh my god, I found iron. Oh my god, it's for myself only.
Me and myself and I. Okay. Oh yeah, my food.
Um.
Alright, is it this chest I also have that much? No, it's in this chest.
Oh my god, it's everywhere. Ah, what the heck's going on? That's a tree.
I'm gonna head out. Yeah. Sorry we're not talking that much, it's just we want to focus like really good. And then eventually when we get every build that we wanted in our visions, we would talk more. Perfect. This is good. This is really good. What if I walk backwards like this? Perfect. Oh god, nope. Not right there. No. I'm trying to make like a little farm, as you guys could probably tell in the earlier when I was making this. So guys, I think I'll upload episode. Oh crap! I need more dirt. So guys, I hope you guys know this. Hope you guys know that I'm gonna upload episode 1 and and then my other wait. Okay, I'm gonna upload episode 1 from this series, but then isn't like the one GTA just like a random video that we just decided to make, or I don't think we're gonna turn that into a series, because I don't think we really need.
I found a bunch of coal.
Speaking of GTA, your video just got uploaded. Yeah. Yeah, 1260. Oh, yeah, probably. So guys, like what I do, Zaylog, he sends it to, I don't know, how do you upload your vlogs or your videos? Yeah, that's how he does it. But I take it. I plug my hard. Yeah, but I could put description in mine. Like I could put your channel, our team channel. You can. But why don't you do it? Hmm? Hmm? I like, you know what, I keep on saying I'll put the description down below, but I don't like putting, I'll probably keep on putting our team channel in there. But, this really knows. There it is, this way. But,
and some pork.
Pork, got some pork chops. No? Okay. So guys, if you guys are new to this channel, or any of our channels, pause the video right now and go subscribe.
I'm cooking me some food. I don't.
We'll wait. Just go right now. Go do it right now.
Go do it in there. Go do it. Whatever.
Why are you like that, James? I mean, I understand why you're in a bad mood, but you don't have to be rude about it. Alright, guys, we're almost done with the farm. But I think this is where I'm just gonna put the food, and then I'll make another area to keep animals, so we can like get chickens and cows and yeah, keep cows and chickens, so I can get fresh eggs and keep breeding our horses, so they can have babies, where we can get meat. You know what? That makes me sad. This makes me want to be a vegetarian now, cause how people just go there and just I don't know how people can just do that, like just kill an animal and then that makes me want to be a vegetarian now.
Oh, sure. You said that once. Now I became a vegetarian.
James, you know, yeah, I said it makes me want to be a vegetarian. Doesn't mean I'm gonna be a vegetarian.
Where do you go and make a glass block?
Oh, you have to do sand. You have to get sand, and then you have to put it in.
I didn't say how. I said where is it?
What do you mean? Yeah, sand. You need sand in a furnace. Oh yeah, right now mining. We need more coal.
Yeah, no, you can.
Jeez, it's not for us. It's just for the big one. We have our own. So yeah, obviously, if we want our own, we'll take care of our own.
Why did I get an achievement? But pork chop, even though I should have already had that.
Alright, Dave, if you want to start coming home, and then Zach can stop after I put.
I'm already home.
I'm gonna put these finished touches on the. Oops. Alright, I'm gonna finish. I know. I'm gonna finish up this, the farm quick. Like, you know, I'm gonna have another part, like, of the. Clean this up. Still gotta start it. Alright. I know, I'm coming home. Whoa, this looks incredible. Hold on, let me put my stuff back in my chest. Oop, I'm gonna have to take that chest. Yeah, I'm gonna do up the upstairs. Oh my god, this is so amazing, Zach. God bless you. Alright, hold on, I gotta put my stuff in the back. No, screw it. Sleep. There, I'm sleeping. You guys are gonna need probably more torches, and I'll go around putting torches in the guys' rooms.
Yeah, my small room, which is fine.
James, it's not a small room yet. We still. No, go. We have sand all around us. Go do whatever you do. do it with sand. What? What? No! Why? Why do you people keep on going in my... Oh, God, I hate you people.
Oh, you hate me?
My room is too... But, you know, no.
My room is no secret.
Yeah. What the? Oh, God. I know. Oh, I'm gonna put that right there. How do you get in it? Oh, crap. I don't know how or what I'm gonna use to do stuff. Oh, yeah, I want to make a window. I need sand and coal. So guys, I'm just gonna go mine for some stuff. I need coal, so that's probably why I'm gonna. You know what? We've been that far, so I'm gonna go this way. This is the way. Oh yeah, got some. Got it. Got it. Oh God. Nope. This is why. I like how you say cook. I need to go back to the house and get some food.
I don't think I'm gonna record any of this.
I mean, you don't have to. We are recording.
I can record like any videos, but you know.
You're not gonna record these series. Or no?
Well, maybe not any video. Cause no one will ever know.
Oh! Get out. Mine is just classic white boy. Nothing in there. Yeah, there's nothing in there. That's what classic
Go
white
ahead,
boys.
go in my room. I don't give two craps to take anything on my chest.
Stop being so negative. I know you're having a bad day, but suck it up.
Stick it in.
I could not have this in my vlog. Or my video, I mean. Not my vlog, sorry.
Oh, okay, you don't want this in your vlog, okay.
My video. Well, I'm sorry. It's just like, he come us. Yeah. Guys, I'm sorry, I had to say that. It's because his negativity is bringing me down. Because he's saying that nobody watches his videos. We told you guys to watch them. You don't have to watch them. Yes! Perfect. I need to find one more. One more. Oh my God. Forever. To find that. Oh yeah. What's this? What is this? What is this I find? What is this I find? On my little trip. Oh. I don't need that. Yeah, well. I'm out trying to find for some coal. You can use wood? Well, I would have been on this trip if I knew that. I need some of this anyways. So why not use some of it? Make a trip out of it. Don't need to come up here for no reason. I can use this. Make some stone pickaxe. Do that. So I'm just gonna be done mining until this breaks. Guys, I know eventually my room probably has nothing in there. I know you guys are gonna be like, oh, here's nothing in there. Well, because I don't know what to put in my room. I'm probably gonna eventually put stuff in my room. It's just I don't have stuff to put in my room. Like I want to put like a little like. Yeah, I feel like that too. But who cares? We're having fun. That's all that matters. But seriously, guys, go check out James' vids, because I don't want him being down all the time about his views. So, anywho, let's get back to the topic of my room. Anywho, I'm gonna eventually. I want to put like a table, like a table, but it's not a table. Like I want to put like a little like table. Like I know how to make a table on here. It's just really weird looking table. So guys, I am done making almost a stack, like maybe 20 more blocks, and that I would have had more. I would have had. Alright. Good for you. Wait, I'm gonna go look in the room. Alright, while you're out there. Oh, I know why I needed to put it in my. I know what did I need. I know. Oh wow, that looks so cool. I like that little pole in your room. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already joined the Foxers and join the Zalog Army. Have a good day. Remember, always block out the haters, and see you guys tomorrow.